The top 7 DACA questions on Reddit answered. Got questions about DACA? You're not alone. Thousands of people turn to Reddit every day to get answers, but not all the advice is accurate. That's where we come in. We've compiled a list of the top 7 most frequently asked DACA questions on Reddit, along with clear answers you can trust. Let's dive in. Question 1. Can DACA recipients still renew protections amid legal challenges? Yes, DACA recipients can continue renewing their protections despite ongoing legal challenges. A recent court ruling declared parts of the DACA program unlawful, but allowed renewals to continue for now. Although new DACA applications are not being accepted, current recipients or those whose status expired within the past year can still apply for renewal. Question 2. How can DACA recipients receive healthcare? DACA recipients can't access healthcare through the Affordable Care Act, ACA marketplace, Medicare, or Medicaid in most states. But despite the Trump administration's recent proposals to further limit DACA recipients' access to healthcare, they currently still have options. These include employer-sponsored plans, state programs, community clinics, and private insurance. Coverage varies by location, so check your state's policies for immigrant health coverage. Question 3. Do I need to report a traffic ticket in my DACA renewal application? No, you do not need to report a traffic ticket in your DACA renewal application unless it was alcohol or drug related. For example, tickets for speeding or running a stop sign do not need to be reported, but DUI offenses must always be disclosed. Question 4. Am I still eligible for DACA if I dropped out of high school? No. If you dropped out of school or left an education program, you will generally not be eligible for DACA or a DACA renewal unless you sign up for a new or different educational program. Question 5. Can DACA recipients visit multiple countries on Advance Parole? You may travel to more than one country on Advance Parole as long as every country you plan to visit is listed in your Advance Parole application and approval. Your travel is for educational, employment, or humanitarian reasons, and you return to the U.S. before your Advance Parole document expires. It's important to note that travel for vacation is not allowed, and re-entry to the U.S. is not guaranteed. It's a good idea to consult an immigration attorney before leaving the country, and include clear documentation supporting your travel reasons. Question 6. Should I renew my DACA while I'm waiting for my green card approval? Yes, keeping your DACA status active is a good idea in case your green card application is delayed or denied. USCIS recommends renewing DACA 120 to 150 days, or 4 to 5 months before it expires. Question 7. Can I get a private loan under DACA? Some banks, credit unions, and private lenders offer loans to DACA recipients, but approval depends on the lender's criteria and your financial profile. That said, you should take care to avoid predatory lenders, compare offers, and review the loan terms carefully before committing. If you believe you were discriminated against because of your immigration status, you have the right to report this to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Got more questions? We wrote a blog post that dives deeper into each topic mentioned in this video, as well as additional DACA Q&As linked in the description below. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more immigration news, tips, and insights. Thanks for watching.